Midnight snack is the best. Nakubad ka pa, may wala ka pang damit ka ba yan? Yan, syempre Jollibee spaghetti and Jolly hotdog. While watching Kuya Kurt in YouTube.
So it's common here. It's pretty much the malls. This is where people well, it's air conditioning. Parks, like you said earlier, right? And then here we got an SM supermarket, so you can take a look inside real quick. So you can see how huge this grocery store is. Massive. You get everything in here. This is crazy. You can get groceries, flowers, electronic goods. Like just look how massive this is. Great. So remember when I told you there's like different tiers of shopping centers here in the Philippines? You have the just like the open air markets. This is like the third business here in the Philippines. So anyway, this is the SM store. I buy lots of stuff. Do your viewers know what SM is? Do you guys know what SM is? SN or M? That's just SM, right? Which they told me what it means once. I thought it meant supermarket, SM, right? But I think it means something different. As you can see, remember how I told you security here, private security is a big thing, right? Any store you go to, they're gonna have private security guards. And you can take a look up here. This is the levels of mall we're looking at. Alright.
Ano ka? Yung
That's crazy actually.
vlogger ka na. Hindi mo kailangan
This is
sa akin.
one of the biggest
Parang
malls.
gusto namin nila panoorin din.
Shout out!
Dahil parang hindi ganun, di ba? Patawad ako, ganun ginagawa ko na blender,
You
di
can
ba?
get everything here. They have Ace Hardware, cologne, clothing, food, automobile. I have an Ace Hardware near my house. It's such a small world. Yeah.
Hindi sabi din ni Ibi ako.
It's pretty. I mean, you come here out of there.
Yeah. Basta wala siyang pakialam kung kinuha ba yung views. Basta ako naman na-upload kasi yung gusto niya.
Giant.
Kaya nga ito ginagawa ko.
Jake's the fashion store is very in touch with her.
Ilang minutes kami.
Oh, yeah, what you mean? So, you can tell, right?
Pero yung ko talaga,
Like the biggest
parang ako talaga, hindi ko talaga siya. Pero
Did you tell they were brothers? Absolutely. So anyway, I mean, you got pretty much all that. The one. This is massive. I didn't realize just how. Look at the place here.
yan na, ang Jolly hotdog. Jolly hotdog.
This doesn't have it all. Filipino malls here is at 26th level. Because these act as
No oras na ba?
spaces. Everything here is like you got
9:47.
you know, top tier
9:47 p.m.
Second dinner.
prices out.
Kumain na kami kanina.
You know, so they come here and it's basically just
Ito,
window shopping
round.
and a place to hang out, but they can't really participate in buying a bunch of stuff.
Ayan. Pero kasi, ba't kasi ano ka? Ulit dami.
There were more public spaces, public parks, open areas.
Perfect vibe.
Tommy Ford store. Tommy Ford, yeah.
Interesting.
So this is Coca-Cola. This is like
Ako kasi di ako mahilig sa mga ganyan.
they do a lot of
Mga burger. Pero kung nakain ako, di ko lang siya, ano, kaya kong hindi kumain.
in the store and then they get paid. Oh, right. Something new. Coca-Cola is known for its like local artisans, jewelry, clothing.
Yeah, I gotta figure out what that word is.
It's on consignment.
Jake's wanted to order Yomia.
So anyway, you can come in here, you can get like barones. Have you seen the barones here?
I don't know what barong is.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Barone is just below. I have a feeling about
Ang lagi namin pinapanood is si Kuya Kurt. Ayan siya. Yan yung lagi namin pinapanood pag after work.
It's very, very, this is a very high-end one. People wear this for weddings.
Yeah, I want to see how much this one goes for. Give me a second. I'm curious now. So 16, so that's like $150.
Yeah, and that's not even like the most
Parang ang liit lang ng ano niya.
And you'll see the sheen. You can see it's
Ayun yung sabi ni Kuya Kurt. Parang inflation.
celebrities. You'll see Filipino celebrities wearing like different kinds of barones that are just like
Lahat.
Ding dong, where's
Chicken, hotdog, burger.
Dito yung inflation kaya
barones like this. That
maliliit na lang.
It's what I'm wearing. It's this in Tagalog. It's a sandal. Okay. It's a sandal.
It's just such an odd thing to call a shirt, you know?
These are called a Filipiniana.
Filipiniana.
Filipiniana. This is basically the female version of
The Donna, or Henry Clara.
Hello po. And then you get stuff like this. It's like high fashion Filipino.
Kayo guys, anong food trip nyo kapag ano, gabi?
It's pretty cool.
Anong ibig yung midnight snack?
It does. It's all super interesting stuff. And you got like local artisans making jewelry and all this stuff.
Maybe I need to get like a ring or a bracelet or something.
Ako kasi masama pakiramdam ko kaya palong-palo na naman yung mata.
Shake up with like some jewelry. Oh, and then I love this kind of stuff. I love these kind of fishes. Did you hear that? A lot of times I'll pass people and they'll just be like, oh, it's a vlogger.
Oh yeah.
They never know. I told Jake that here in the Philippines, vloggers are synonymous with celebrities. So if people see you walking around the camera, they'll just automatically assume you're a vlogger. And the cool thing about vlogging here is like they're all down for like doing shout outs, being on camera, versus like being in America, they're just like, who the F are you? Like, don't film me. And then the other cool thing about malls here is that there's literally everything inside. You can get your teeth fixed, you can go to the dentist, you can go to the cinema, you can get a new set of tires, you can get a new set
Where
of
do I buy a trumpet?
You can get it in the malls. And then up here, the higher up
Hey,
you go
you
to the
know what we
malls,
do? We go find a piano. Let's get
Ganito ang ginagawa namin lagi.
keyboard, you keep practicing.
Pag magpapahinga, nanonood kay Kuya Kurt. At syempre, meron siyang bagong guest ngayon, si... Kalimutan ko yung pangalan.
Oh yeah, they're very.
Ayan. Ha? Jay? Jake, parang mga Jake. Jake, yung pangalan niya.
There's no secrets.
Kaya kung kilala niyo si Kuya Kurt, i-mention niyo naman siya dito sa vlog ko. By the way guys, this is my mahabang vlog video.
I'm so hungry.
Ayan.
I'll tell you that much.
So ganyan kasi yung gusto kong vlog, yung ano lang, yung very raw lang, no pressure, hindi kailangan mag-edit, hindi kailangan mag-acting.
Hello.
Vlog lang.
That's Tyler. Hello.
Sizzling plates.
So sizzling plates, they do up all of these meals with protein, rice. It comes on a a legit sizzling plate, like sizzling fajitas.
I love the next
Fajitas.
bored and hungry.
But yeah, sushi, lechon. Maybe you want some lechon. That's the roasted pig. Incredibly,
Oh,
incredibly
no, we
flavorful.
gotta save that for when I'm okay.
I don't think we have roasted pig.
Okay.
So if you wanted to try it, this is the place you can try it.
Ilang minutes, alam ko parang dito, siguro 20 minutes.
Frankie's.
Oh, when you were is that blasphemy if I
Kaya,
want like
hindi mo ganda pag nasa labas ka rin.
What's that, guys?
Di ba? Yung habang naglalakad, kumakain.
wreck me?
Buffalo wings?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Buffalo wings?
I mean, let's look around. I'm not sold yet. Let's
And then you got cinnamon over here.
Cinnabon.
Yeah. It's a Delimon Cafe. I've actually never eaten anything on this level. So this is what we're looking at. What's the guys?
Kainan. Mga bakery.
Nag-vlog na kami.
Or kapihan.
My family in the
Bakery plus cafe.
Okay guys, enjoy.
Cinnabon. May ganun sa amin yung Starbucks, di ba?
Ano?
Parang may itim.
Hindi, joke lang.
Parang pala.
Guys, subscribe to the channel. Anong uri ng content mo, pre?
Yung cinnabon.
Cinnamon.
This is
Cinnamon yun.
Ako.
Cinnamon roll.
adventure. So,
Ano ba cinnabon? Cinnabonan?
Cinnamon. Kaya ng restaurant yun.
Ah, okay.
galing. Galing. Sige, ingat. Shout out to my wife.
Thank you, be careful.
Galing.
Do we have plans to eat adobo anywhere?
Adobo? Not really.
Then let's get
We're
that.
gonna go to some carinderias and they have a variety of food.
I mean, yeah, I mean, I've never had it. I've just heard so much about it.
Is adobo something that you would
Adobo.
say you've heard before, or is it like
Adobo.
a new like Filipino food that you've never heard of?
No, that's I think Kuya Pat.
All right, so we're gonna try the adobo.
Matira pa kami.
Yeah, is this what you want though?
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'll eat it.
Kahiyaan pa.
Del Mundo Cafe, guys. So it's gonna be hello po.
I'll have a souvenir too.
Masarap ba yung adobo nyo? Yes. Di ba kailangan mo yan sabihin kasi dito kayo nagtatrabaho? Oo. Nahuli ka eh. Joke lang. Ano yung bestseller nyo? Nice and good, dude.
I'll try that. I'll try that.
So gusto daw niya yung classic ranch bowl and sa akin yung adobo corned beef. At siguro yung isang soft
Ah, nagkakat-kat
Danish
din
pa
siya.
sa akin.
Ma'am, di mo
Isang
masarap.
cream
Adobo corned
Danish.
Make me sick.
Siguro sa akin isang Coke
Pero
Zero.
yung iba yun.
adobo.
Minsan nga yung corned beef, ginawang ano may love,
Fanta orange.
ginawang pang apitada. Nilagyan ng patatas,
Patatas pwede.
bell
Adobo.
pepper,
Just stop it. Tulong. Ano of emergency. Posting ko to, may man siya. Face? Ano yan?
We're done!
Yan, ayun yung inaano ko, hindi.
Alin? Ay, ayun. Eh, ba yan? Mga yan?
Ayun lang yan.
Ano ko do? Magkano ba? This is a song.
Yung plane, yung $160. Pero yung para sa sa company, yung experience. Pero mas madaming credit sa plane.
Pero mas gusto mo na bilhin ni boss yung plane.
Yung experience. Kasi mas makakagamit yan sa dalawang company.
Gano'n kailangan nyo?
Dalawang company.
Right, did you see that ube chilada?
Tatlong company.
Ube yan?
Not here, but I had ube.
That ube.
Oh yeah.
Ube is very...
We're done. Kayo guys, kapag kumakain kayo, nag-midnight snack kayo, anong food nyo?
You just gotta like...
Kami kasi,
Perfect na yun, Delimundo.
oo.
Yun yung dati yung bili. Natin yun. Yung kulay puti lang. Plain lang.
Pero parang gusto ko yung ano.
Ube is like originated. Well, it's not native. It's native to the Philippines, but it's native to all of Southeast Asia. But it's like a main staple here in the Philippines.
Is it like a root?
It is a root,
A tuber?
similar to taro. With the
Let's tiktik na daan, no?
How hungry are
We
you?
had Jollibee this morning.
Panoorin nyo yung vlog ni ano.
What style of content do they expect from you?
May copyright din ba sa YouTube?
Question.
Huwag lang yung mismo kukunin mo.
Yeah.
Walang pag-edit. Kunyari, pag pinapanood mo.
Pwede naman. Hindi ka talaga Facebook na mas maan talaga.
Why did you decide?
Ayun lamang guys, dahil ubos na yung aming food, ako ay mag-end na. So this is my first vlog. Please like, follow, and share para mas lalo kayo maging updated sa lahat ng mga susunod kong mga uploaded videos. Yun lamang po. Bye!
Suicide door.